All right, today we talked about 2.7 writing equations. We're going to do a couple quick examples. So the first one is writing an equation from a graph. So if you need to pause this to draw your graph, do that now, and then hit play when you're ready. You need two pieces of information to write your equation. You need your slope, m, and your y-intercept, b. So the first thing we're going to find is the y-intercept. The y-intercept is where it crosses the y-axis. So if you look here, this crosses right here at 5. So that is my y-intercept. My slope is how much it changes between the 2 points. So to get from this point to the next, I'm going to go down 2, and then in the positive direction 1. Remember, slope is rise over run. So I'm going rising -2, going down 2, and going right 1. And we know we can simplify that down. -2 over 1 is just -2. So that's all I need to write my equation. It should look like y equals mx plus b. My slope is -2, so I'm going to put that there for m. My y-intercept is 5, so I'm going to put that where b is. And this is my final answer. So those ones are quick and easy. You just have to be able to identify your slope and your y-intercept and plug them in. Second one takes a little bit more work. We want to write the equation of a line that passes through these 2 points. And so to do that, we're going to set up a table. You can write your table down or across, it doesn't matter. But make sure your x goes in your x column and your y goes in your y column. So I'm going to label my points. So this is -2, 4, and 2, 8. Now remember, your slope is change in y over change in x. So we're going to look at how much y changes. This is going up 4. And then we're going to look at how much x changes. This is also going up 4. Okay. And we can simplify that. We know 4 over 4 is just 1. So our slope is 1. We still need our y-intercept. So we're going to go to y equals mx plus b. Where m is, we're going to put in the 1 we just found. We don't know b, but we do have an x and a y. We can pick either ordered pair to plug in. So I'm just going to take the first one. X is -2. Y is 4. Get that right here also. Okay. 1 times -2 is -2. And then I'm going to add the 2 over to get rid of that -2, which tells me that b is 6. So my final answer should look like y equals whatever my m was. So 1x, or you can just put x in that case, because 1 times x would just be x. And then we got +6, so we're going to put +6. And that's my final answer. All right, those are the only 2 examples you need to have in your notes for this section from the video. But you do have a small task. I want you to write 2 equations. The first one, you're going to write an equation with a y-intercept of 8. Any equation you want, as long as the y-intercept, your b, is 8. So that one should be pretty quick. Second one, you're going to have to think a little more. I want you to write a second equation where the x-intercept is 5. Here's my hint. Draw a graph that has a line that crosses the x-axis at 5, and then write your equation. Okay, so I would start from a graph for the second one. First one should be pretty quick. And that's it. Thank you for watching. See you next week.